Hello children. Children, last week we have finished with the book exercises and question answers of lesson number 2, that is I can do it myself. I hope you all have finished your work in your moral science copies and books also. Children, today I am going to give you the revision test of lesson number 1, that is love the creator. What you have to do is you have to learn the book exercises and question answers from the copy, as well as you have to read the lesson thoroughly, and then only you will write this test in your moral science copies. So let's start with the revision test of this lesson. Children, this test is of 30 marks. Question number 1 is, name some wonderful creations of God. Name some wonderful creations of God. This question is of 4 marks. Question number 2 is, write some ways to love the Creator. Write some ways to love the Creator. This is again of 4 marks. Question number 3 is, what is the moral of the lesson, love the Creator? What is the moral of the lesson, love the Creator? This is again of 4 marks. Question number 4 is, name some gifts given by God. Name some gifts given by God. This is again of 4 marks. Question number 5 is, who is the creator of everything? Who is the creator of everything? This is again of 4 marks. Question number 6 is, what has God blessed us with? What has God blessed us with? This is again of 4 marks. Question number 3 is, write true or false. This question is of 3 marks. Number 1 is, helpfulness has nothing to do with God. Helpfulness has nothing to do with God. B part is, we should protect the nature. We should protect the nature. C part is, when we study well, we express our love for the Creator. When we study well, we express our love for the Creator. Then question number 8 is, fill in the blanks. This question is of 3 marks again. First part is, everything in this world is created by dash. Everything in this world is created by dash. B part is, we must spend enough time for dash. We must spend enough time for dash. C part is, God has blessed us with hundreds of dash. God has blessed us with hundreds of dash. Now children, I am going to show you this questions again. Just go through the questions carefully. Learn the test before you write it. Don't cheat and write. There is no use of writing if you are cheating. So children, this was all there regarding the test of lesson 1. Thank you.